Welcome to 1818 Farms. I'm the owner, Natasha McCrary, and today we're just going to do a quick little sneak peek. The last video that we were here at the farm, we were showing you how we construct our low tunnels. We're going to go in and peep and see how our ranunculus and anemones, how much they've grown since we put them in the ground. But I also, before we go into that, want to talk to you a little bit about what we do when it goes below 26 degrees. We mentioned this in the last video, and I have here, this is a roll of Tufflite. It's a greenhouse plastic. It's 10 feet wide, which go over our tunnels. And we're going to be cutting this today. And what we'll do is we're going to lay it right over the Agribon. And anytime it goes below 26, it really just helps give you a little bit more insulation in there to make sure that the flowers don't freeze. This is especially important with the ranunculus and anemones. There's other things it's not as important for, like our snapdragons, buplorum, delphinium, larkspur. They're just a lot tougher, but we just want to make sure that we keep those babies tucked in and that they are protected from the cold. So what we're going to do is we're going to come on in and I'm going to lift the greenhouse Agribon for us and see how everything's grown. Okay, guys, so we're here at the base of the tunnel, and this is going to be a surprise for me also. I peeked in last week because when we planted the ranunculus and anemones, the corms were tiny and they had just a little sprout. So we're going to go from the end of the tunnel. I'm going to move the sandbag and lift out our stakes and just give an idea of how much these guys have grown. I think we put them in right before Thanksgiving. And look under how beautiful they look. And this is about a 72-foot row. And this is, you can just really see how great they're doing, really beautiful. So we're happy, we're very pleased with this. We see a lot of green, consistent growth. On this end is pretty much all the ranunculus. When you get far down the other end of the tunnel, we start the anemones down there. For us, typically the anemones, we're going to start harvesting them the end of February. The ranunculus will be about 2 weeks later, so mid-March. So this looks really great, in my opinion. So hope you guys are enjoying it, and stay tuned. In just a couple of weeks, we'll probably be peeping in and maybe see some of the early buds on the anemones.